Afterburners are those bright flames you see shooting out the back of some fighter jets during takeoff or combat maneuvers. They provide a huge boost in thrust by injecting extra fuel directly into the jet engine's exhaust, igniting it to create additional power. This burst of speed is crucial for quick takeoffs, supersonic flight, and rapid acceleration in dogfights. However, afterburners consume fuel at a much faster rate, which limits how long they can be used. This means pilots must use them strategically, mostly in combat or emergencies. The main advantage is raw power and speed, allowing jets to outrun threats or catch targets. The downside is fuel inefficiency and increased heat and noise, making afterburner use a tactical choice rather than constant operation.